Hi, my name is Cheyenne.
And I'm Brittany, and we are going to be doing a science experiment with these 6 sodas to see which one of them will clean the pennies the best.
I personally think that root beer will clean the pennies best because it is the only one with citric acid, and citric acid is known for cleaning metals.
I think that Pepsi will clean it the best because it has phosphoric acid and citric acid. But we are both aware that Coke is well known for cleaning metals.
So we're here today to test that. Let's get started.
So we have 6 different sodas. I have Coke, Diet Coke, and Pepsi.
I have root beer, Diet Dr. Pepper, and Dr. Pepper. The goal is to get the 6 dirty pennies. We're going to drop them in and we're going to time it for 10 minutes. After, we're going to take them out and see which one's the cleanest.
So we're about 5 minutes into the experiment, and we have noticed that some of the sodas are bubbling more than others. The one that's bubbling the most is my prediction, which is Pepsi. That one's bubbling the most. Diet Coke is actually not bubbling a lot.
Diet Dr. Pepper is also not really bubbling. It's like one bubble here and there. Root beer is actually one of the ones that is bubbling the most. You can actually hear it right when we drop the penny. You could hear the reaction to it, as well as Pepsi.
So it looks like our predictions might come into fruition.
Back. We kind of just want to give you a background story onto why soda can even clean pennies, because it's kind of confusing. Overall, pennies are made of copper, and when the copper reacts to the air, it becomes dull, which ultimately creates copper oxide. Now, copper oxide and phosphoric acid, which Coke did have, and that was one of our top results, when it comes together, the phosphoric acid dissolves the copper oxide. So it's ultimately what makes a penny clean and shiny. Now with Coke actually won. It was our highest one, but we realized it's because it has a lower level of pH. So when you have a scale under 7, anything under 7 is more acidic. So all of our results were below 5, but overall the lowest pH level was Coke, which had a 2.52. Then after it was Pepsi, which had a 2.53, Dr. Pepper, which had a 2.89, Diet Coke, which had 3.10, Diet Dr. Pepper, which had a 3.16, and then root beer, which I lost, was 4.47. Now, it really did clean it based off of the pH level. All of the results are in order due to how much pH level it had, because that's how much it cleaned it.
Yeah, so Pepsi did clean the penny, but Coke cleaned it and gave it its shine back, which is what the phosphoric acid was supposed to do, clean it and give it its shine back because it dissolves the copper oxide.
Now I noticed with the root beer, it was the only one that had the citric acid.
Only citric acid.
Only citric acid. It was the pure citric acid. There was no phosphoric acid, and actually it didn't really clean it at all. It kind of looks the same. You could see a slight change just because citric acid is an acidic, but not as more acidic as the Coke was, because it had a lower pH level. So you really saw that the more concentrate of the pH level, the cleaner the penny came out.
Yeah.
So overall, our results were Coke won, Pepsi was second, so she was overall right. Dr. Pepper was third, Diet Coke was fourth, Diet Dr. Pepper was fifth, and then root beer sadly lost. But it also proves it's the safest to drink because it has the lowest acidic level.
Yes. All right.
Thank you for watching us. Bye.
Bye.